In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the platform at Dream Efficiency 5303. Lightning.Force. COM to efficiently export your data. This process, although straightforward, requires careful attention to detail to ensure you export the correct information. So, let's get started. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and head over to the homepage of Salesforce at Dream Efficiency 5303. Lightning.Force.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. This settings menu is your gateway to numerous customization options in Salesforce, allowing you to tailor the platform to suit your business needs. Now, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find an option labeled Open Advanced Setup. This section is crucial as it provides advanced functionalities and settings. Click on Open Advanced Setup to proceed. Next, within the Advanced Setup window, you'll encounter a search bar. Here, type in Data Export to locate the data export settings quickly. This is a time-saving step that directs you straight to relevant options without having to sift through various menus manually. Once you've searched for and located Data Export, click on it to open the Data Export section. This area grants you the flexibility to manage and export your data efficiently, making it a key component for data management tasks. At this point, you'll need to choose your type of export. There's typically a range of options available depending on what you specifically wish to export. Carefully review these options. Make sure you select the type that aligns closely with your current goals or needs. After selecting the type of export, you will be prompted to input all necessary details. This might include specifying the data range, filters, or any other relevant parameters. Accurate input at this stage ensures that your export is tailored perfectly to what you're looking for. Double-check your entries to avoid any mistakes that could affect the export outcome. Finally, with all the parameters set, it's time to click the Download button. Upon doing so, a zip file of your data will be generated and available for download. Once it is downloaded, you can then extract and export this data into an Excel sheet for further analysis or reporting. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Salesforce to export your data. Whether it's for analyzing trends or inputting your findings into reports, exporting data efficiently can be incredibly beneficial. We hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Have a great day.